Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. As in this week we have studied conjunction, preposition. Earlier also in the previous week also we have gone through this grammar part, and this week also, and on Thursday and Friday we are going to take a doubt clearance class. Okay, so please be attentive there. And today we are going to start a new chapter, that is lost and found. Okay. Lost, समथिंग विच इज़ लाइक जो खो दिया हो, एंड फाउंड जो हमें मिल गया हो. ठीक है, so let's begin. This is also a passage, and after completing this passage, a story, a small story. After that we have to go through the exercises and some of the grammar. Actually means this is since this is a grammar portion, right? So we'll see the exercises related to the grammar things. Okay, so let's begin the chapter without delaying it. So Harish was riding a bicycle with his wife through Holland. The roads were stony and the machine jumped a good deal. The machine, what does machine mean here? Can you please tell me what does this machine mean here? Okay, I'll tell you. Machine means what? Machine means bicycle. Okay, so here machine means bicycle. So it jumped at a good deal because the road was quite stony, and you know, while riding on a stony place, the bicycle will jump. Sit tight, said Harish, without turning his head. Means without turning his head, what he said to his wife, that sit tight. Mrs. Harish thought he had said jump off. Now Mrs. Harish thought that he said, my husband said that I have to jump off. Mrs. Harish did jump off while Harish pedaled away, hard thinking that she was still behind him. It's just a confusion that he told him to jump off. She thought, the wife thought, and husband thought that she is still behind him, and he rode the bicycle very far and far places. At first she thought he was riding up the hill just to show off. पहले उसको लगा वो शो ऑफ करने के लिए बाइसाइकिल चला रहा और मुझे बोल दिया नीचे उतर जाओ, jump off. See, she expected him to jump off when he reached the top of the hill and lean in a careless and graceful manner against the bicycle and waiting for her. Now what happened? She expected him to jump off. Okay, उसको ऐसा लगा कि मेरा जो husband है आगे जाकर at the top of the hill he will jump off. ठीक है, and lean in a careless and graceful manner against the bicycle. Okay, and now there the husband was leaning back and waiting for her. When she saw him pass the top of the hill and cycle rapidly down the other side, she was quite alarmed. Now what happened? When she saw कि मेरा husband काफ़ी दूर तक चला गया है, he reached at the top and he is about to go down from that hill, she got alarmed. She ran to the top of the hill and shouted, but he never turned his head. She shouted there, वो ज़ोर से चिल्लाई that I'm here, but take me to. But what happened? He couldn't hear her and he ride the bicycle calmly. She watched him disappear into a wood a mile and a half away and then sat down and cried. Now वो देख रही है कि मेरा husband disappear हो रहा है, मतलब धीरे धीरे वो गायब हो रहा है ना, and he gone into the forest and very very far away, a mile and half far away. She sat there and cried. She had no money. She knew no Dutch. Dutch is a language which is spoken by Holland people and the Denmark people. Okay, people passed and seemed sorry for her. She tried to make them understand what had happened. They gathered that she had lost something but could not grasp what. Means वहाँ के people आसपास से वहाँ से गुजर रहे थे, but the people were not able to recognize that what her problem is. They have seen her crying there over the side of the road, but they didn't recognize because she didn't know Dutch and she was telling in her own language. They took her to the nearest village and found a policeman for her. From the signs she made, the policeman thought some man had stolen her bicycle. They found a boy driving a lady's bicycle about 4 miles away. They brought him to her in a cart, but as Mrs. Harish did not want either him और his bicycle, they let him go again. Now उन लोगों को ऐसा लगा कि मिसेस हरीश ऐसा शाइन कर रही है, जैसे लग रहा है कि वो बता रही है कि किसी ने उनका बाइसाइकिल चोरी कर लिया है. एंड 4 miles अवे उन लोगों ने क्या देखा, एक बॉय को हु वाज राइडिंग लेडीज बाइसाइकिल. तो उन लोगों को लगा कि ये वही बाइसाइकिल जो मिसेस हरीश बता रही हैं. एंड दे टुक हर इन अ कार्ट टू दैट. लेकिन उनको मिसेस हरीश को ना ही बाइसाइकिल चाहिए था ना ही उस आदमी. Meanwhile, Harish continued his ride. Now we are talking about Harish जो सीधा साइकिल चलाते हुए जा रहा है with much enjoyment. Okay, it seemed to him that he had suddenly become a stronger cyclist. I haven't felt this machine so light for months. It's this air, I think. It's doing me good, he said. Then he told his wife not to be afraid and he would show her how fast he could go. अभी उसको ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि एकदम हवा में उड़ रहे हैं. The cycle is very light to ride that, है ना, बहुत हल्का महसूस हो रहा है. And he told her wife to not to worry and I will ride the fast as he could. He sped. स्पीड का वो वर्ब फॉर्म दिया हुआ है. ओके, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म दिया हुआ है स्पेड. merely on for about 5 miles. Then the feeling began to grow upon him that something was wrong. He stretched out his hand behind him and felt. He stretched out his hand behind him and felt what? He felt nothing there. He jumped out, or rather fell off, and looked back up the road. It stretched wide and straight, and not a living soul could be seen on it. Yes, जैसे ही उसको पता चला कि something is wrong, he felt and he turned back and he could find nothing there. And उसने road पे भी देखा, road was like quite and it stretched and wide. मतलब एकदम सुनसान, एकदम साफ, कोई नहीं था वहाँ पे. Harish was in a panic. He asked several people, but nobody could understand anything that he was saying except that he seemed to have lost a lady. उसने sign बताते हुए बोला that I have lost a lady and asked so many strangers. Okay, a young man suggested the police station at the next town. Harish made his way there. The police gave him a piece of paper and told him to write down a full description of his wife, together with the detail of when and where he had lost her. He did not know where he had lost her. All he could tell them was the name of the village where he had his lunch. He knew he had her with him then, and they had started from there together. उसे कुछ तो याद था ना कि when he had lost his wife, बस इतना पता था कि जहाँ जिस होटल में वो लोग थे, जहाँ उन्होंने लंच किया था, from there they had started, and वहाँ का उसने पता बताया, and there they could reach. With the help of a hotel keeper who spoke a little English, the police were able to make out what he wanted. In the evening, they brought her to him in a covered wagon, together with a bill of expenses, and she was very angry. Means at last they met. Okay, होटल कीपर की वजह से वो लोग मिल गए क्योंकि उसको इंग्लिश आता ना, एंड ही कुड एक्सप्लेन थिंग्स बेटर टू द पुलिस मैन. एंड लेटर वो लोग क्या किए, उसकी वाइफ को शाम में वैगन मीन्स कार्ट होता है, ठीक है, तो वैगन में उसको लेके आए. एंड इट इज़ अ बिल ऑफ एक्सपेंसेस. ये काफ़ी बड़ा एक्सपेंसेस हुआ. एक्सपेंसेस क्या है ये, तो एक लर्न कि आप जब भी कुछ कर रहे हो तो प्लीज़ टेक केयर आपके पीछे क्या हो रहा है, आगे क्या हो रहा है, दाएं क्या हो रहा है, बाएं क्या हो रहा है, ठीक है. सो प्लीज़ वेन एवर यू आर वॉकिंग ऑन अ रोड एंड समवन इज़ विथ यू, आपके साथ कोई है, तो ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू टेक केयर कि वो इंसान आपके साथ है या नहीं है. ऐसे नहीं कि अपनी धुन में रहो एंड चलते जाओ और पता चले बाद में कि ही और शी इज़ नॉट विथ मी. So it should not be happen. Okay, every time you have to be very careful while walking or while being in your life also. साथ में अगर life में चल रहे हो तो you have to hold everyone's hand, not physically but yes mentally, and in a supportive way you have to hold each and everyone's hand so that everything will go hand in hand. Okay, so this is a beautiful passage which is taken from Three Men on Bummel by Jerome K. Jerome. Okay, this is the chapter which is adapted from Three Men on Bummel. Okay, and now we'll see the question answers. Okay, why did Mrs. Harish jump off the bicycle? Because she thought her husband has told him to jump off, but in fact he told her to sit tight. What made Mrs. Harish sit down and cry? Because she jumped off from that bicycle and she could see that her husband was riding far and far place into the wood. Why could people not grasp what Mrs. Harris was trying to tell them? Actually, the people were Dutch people, okay, and they did not know her language, and she also did not know Dutch language, so she was not able to tell her problem in their own language. तो language वो उनकी language बता नहीं पा रही थी. That is the reason people लोग को पता नहीं चला कि उसके साथ हुआ क्या है. What did the policeman understand from the sign that Mrs. Harish made? उसको ऐसा लगा that Mrs. Harish का bicycle चोरी हो गया है and मतलब उनका बाइसिकल चोरी हो गया है. एंड व्हाट डिड द पुलिस डू एज अ रिजल्ट उनको 4 miles अवे में एक बॉय दिखा जो लेडीज़ बाइसिकल चला रहा था, तो उसको पकड़ के ले आया. एंड लेकिन मिसेस हरीश को ना ही वो बॉय चाहिए था ना ही साइकिल. Why did Harish enjoy his ride so much more after his wife had jumped off the bicycle? Because वो साइकिल इतना लाइट हो गया था उसकी वाइफ के बिना, उसको पता भी नहीं था. एंड ही वॉज राइडिंग सो कामली to the hill, okay, to the road also, okay, तो उसको पता नहीं चला था. and he was enjoying that because जो बाइसिकल है वो काफ़ी लाइट हो चुका था और हवा में एकदम अच्छे से चल रहा था, as that was the hill place. What was all information that Harish was able to give the police about where he had lost his wife? तो इन्फॉर्मेशन हरीश ने यही दिया दैट मुझे नहीं पता कि वो कहाँ और कब वहाँ मेरे साथ नहीं थी, कब से नहीं है, बट येस हम लोगों ने एक होटल में लंच किया था, फ्रॉम देयर वी हैड स्टार्टेड. तो वही इन्फॉर्मेशन उसने पुलिस को दिया था. How was Mrs. Harish finally brought to Harish? Mrs. Harish was with the policeman and at the evening she was brought in a wagon to Harish. Okay, and why was she angry? She was angry because अगर गिरने के बाद उसको पता ही नहीं चला कि मेरे पीछे मेरी वाइफ है या नहीं बैठी हुई है, तो दैट इज़ द रीज़न शी दैट मेड एंग्री. कोई भी गुस्सा हो जाएगा अगर उसे पता ना चले कि भाई आपकी वाइफ पीछे बैठी हुई है कि नहीं बैठी हुई, आपको पता ही नहीं एंड यू हैड गॉन. तो ऐसे में ऑब्वियस है कि कोई भी गुस्सा हो जाएगा. Now you have to do this, okay. I will tell this answer in the class, so you have to take the help and you have to comment this in the comment section, okay. So you have to tick the mark to the correct alternatives. आपको बस इसमें बताना है कि इसमें से कौन सा सही होगा ऑप्शन. Sit tight. Which one is correct? A, B, C. Sit taking up as little space as possible. Yes, sit or remain firmly in one's place. Sit in uncomfortable manner or huddle. मतलब या यू हैव टू चूज दिस. ओके, ए बी सी में से कौन सा होगा? शो ऑफ, प्राउडली डिस्प्ले वॉट वन हैज़, या पोस्टपोन अ शो और इवेंट और कैंसिल. ठीक है, शो ऑफ का मतलब क्या है? graceful, kind, polite, and generous, not attractive or elegant, or showing a pleasing beauty in movement, and manner. What will be the answer? You have to answer it. 4. Felt anxious or afraid, a clock, alarmed, felt anxious or afraid, a clock which rang, felt sorry. What will be the answer? Grasp, to work hard, to struggle, or to understand fully. Okay. Cart ka, a suitcase, a vehicle with 2 or 4 wheels, usually pulled by a horse. This will be very easy for you, I think. A map or a drawing. Okay, 7th one, grow upon, grow in certain place, become older, या increase or become stronger. Suggested, asked, order या commanded, या put forward a plan or an idea. Okay, make out, build, understand or distinguish, या escape. क्या होगा? Please make the answers in the comment section. Expenses, gaining knowledge or skill, costing a lot of money, or money spent in doing or buying something. I think this one will also be easy. Okay, next is your favorite and mine favorite, that you have to tell me the verb which is transitive or intransitive. अगर वो transitive है तो उसका object ढूंढ के बताना है मुझे, and you can use the comment section here. Harish was riding a bicycle through Holland. तो was riding transitive है या intransitive? अगर ये transitive है तो इसका object क्या होगा, और अगर intransitive है तो object की तो कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. ओके, सी शैट डाउन एंड क्राइड. अभी ये बताना है कि इसमें से कौन सा ट्रांजिटिव है, और अगर ये ट्रांजिटिव है या इनट्रांजिटिव है तो आपको बताना है कि इसका आपका ये ऑब्जेक्ट कौन सा है. ठीक है. द पुलिस गेव हिम अ पीस ऑफ पेपर. नाउ टेल मी, गेव क्या है, ट्रांजिटिव और इनट्रांजिटिव? अगर ये ट्रांजिटिव है तो आपको ऑब्जेक्ट बताना है, अगर इनट्रांजिटिव है तो ऑब्जेक्ट ही नहीं होगा. He would show her how fast he could go. अभी ये बताना है कि इसमें से कौन सा ट्रांजिटिव और इंट्रांजिटिव है, एंड इसमें आपको ये भी बताना है अगर ट्रांजिटिव है तो उसका ऑब्जेक्ट बताना है. ठीक है. She was very angry. Okay, now you have to tell me which one is transitive or intransitive. If it is transitive, then tell me what is the object here. Okay, next one is D. Identify each underlined clause as main, coordinate or subordinate. Okay, mention of what kind each subordinate clause is. अब आपको इसमें बताना है कौन सा मेन क्लाउज है, कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट क्लाउज है, कौन सा सबऑर्डिनेट क्लाउज है. तो आई थिंक आई विल हेल्प यू इन दिस. ओके, बट इफ़ यू वांट कि इसमें मेन क्लाउज कौन सा, तो मेन क्लाउज वो होता है जो इंडिपेंडेंट हो, जिसको किसी की ज़रूरत ना हो, वो खुद में कंप्लीट होते हैं. ठीक है, इंडिपेंडेंट. ठीक है. कोऑर्डिनेट है तो कोऑर्डिनेट में वो है ना, क्लाउजेस जुड़े रहते हैं विथ ये कंजंक्शन से. ठीक है. एंड आपके सबऑर्डिनेट क्लाउज तो वो हो गए, आपने पढ़ा ही होगा. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लाउज 3 तरह के होते हैं ना, एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब एंड नाउन. तो उसमें से कोई भी आपको दिख जाएगा जो नाउन का वर्क कर रहा है, या एडवर्ब का वर्क कर रहा है, या एडजेक्टिव का वर्क कर रहा है, तो वो सबऑर्डिनेट हो गया. ठीक है. तो प्लीज़ डू इट इफ़ इट इज़ पॉसिबल, नहीं तो मैं कर दूँगी आपका. And show how each of the following words has been formed with the help of a prefix or suffix. ठीक है. एन एग्जाम्पल, आपको बताना है कि इसमें प्रेफिक्स कैसे जुड़ा हुआ है अगर है तो, अगर सफिक्स है तो सफिक्स कैसे जुड़ा हुआ है. स्टोनी, इसमें कैसे जुड़ा हुआ है ये सफिक्स या प्रेफिक्स, तो आपको बताना है. मियरली में, केयरलेस में, स्ट्रॉन्गर में, ग्रेसफुल में, लिविंग में, डिसअपियर में. ठीक है. Write a composition on something valuable that you lost and then found unexpectedly. Name your essay Lost and Found. अभी आपको ये बताना है, just like this beautiful story, आपको बताना है कि क्या ऐसा आपके लिए बहुत ही वैल्यूबल चीज़ है. ठीक है, वो खो गया और अचानक जब मिल गया तब आपको कैसा फील हुआ, एंड उसका हेडिंग देना है लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड. मेरे साथ भी ऐसा बहुत बार है. इवन आई एम वेरी लाइक ऑब्सेस्ड विद माई पेंसिल्स, पेन, इरेजर्स, शार्पनर, स्केल, एंड ये सब चीज़ मेरे लिए बहुत प्रीशियस है. जब मेरा खो जाता है तो आई एम लाइक वेरी वरिड. but when I find them again, so it give me an immense feeling and I get satisfied after finding that. तो आपको भी एक बनाना है कॉम्पोजिशन, और यू कैन से दिस टू इन अ वॉइस ऑल्सो. आप मुझे वॉइस में मैसेज कर सकते हो कि मैम ऐसा ऐसा है एंड जो मेरे लिए बहुत प्रीशियस है वो खो गया, एंड जब मुझे वो मिला तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट टुडे, एंड होप यू हैव enjoyed, and have a nice day to all, and bye everyone.